Hello, what is your name?
Hi, my name is Verona Garcia Baidan.
How old are you?
I'm 33 years old.
What is your religion?
My religion is Christian.
Are you married?
I'm single mom.
Do you have kids?
I have two kids,
How old are they?
9 and 7.
How long have you been working in Hong Kong?
3 years and 10 months.
Do you have any working experience in other countries? No. So how long have you been working with your previous employer?
3 years and 10 months.
Where's your employer living in?
Living in Taipo Market.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
920
Square feet.
Square feet.
920, okay. How many family member there?
2 couples.
Couple only, right? Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
Then prepare breakfast to my employer at
Uh-huh.
8.
Uh-huh.
Then after that, I'm cleaning the house.
Okay. And then?
And then after cleaning, I prepare my lunch.
Mm-hmm.
Then after finish my lunch, back to work again.
Mm-hmm.
Then after cleaning the house, I'm going to market. I buy something
For
food
dinner.
for dinner.
Okay, so what time you cook for the dinner?
Time at 8 p.m.
PM. Okay, so what time they eat?
8:30
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
at 10.
Okay, thank you so much.